Hey everyone, right, so you've gotten some water inside the rear of the Mark 1 Golf. It's a good chance it's your rear lights are leaking it in. Most people shove a load of mastic in. It's not ideal, I must admit, but quite often not does the job. But I'm going to do it this way today, so let's jump onto it. And right, first of all we've got to get the rear light out, obviously, so let's crack on with that. Right, now you've got your rear light out, we need to take out the rubber seal, and this is where it gets a bit fun and a bit fiddly.
I've always had a way of keeping closed, beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Try our best to get rid of as much of the grit and grot and grime out of there. If you're lucky enough and you've got a little one of these, they're always handy. Just help clear out a few of the extra little spots. Okay, so that weren't too bad. That actually came out quite easily. There's obviously a lot of debris still inside the lens that needs to be cleared out and whatnot. But one thing I wanted to show you all, see, this is the thickness of the old light rubber. There's a little sliver of the new one. Try and line them up. And let's say there's at least another 3mm worth of rubber. So these have been heated and compressed and heated and cold and heated and wet and all sorts, and effectively they're useless. Now that's all clean and dry and everything else, we're going to fit the new seals and we have to trim them to size as well. So yeah, let's crack on.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Always a good idea as well to wipe down and clean the area around the light fitting. Remove any residue. Finished, all done, sorted. I may add some silicone at a later date to see how they go. It's going to rain again here later today, so we'll go from there. If you've got any value in that, please leave us a like and a subscribe. That would be great, and we'll see you again very soon.